today. Gaano ba kasarap? Gaano ba katamis ang panalo nyo against the previously undefeated Bangko Perlas in 3 straight sets?
Sobrang sarap sa feeling and worth it lahat yung pagod namin, lahat ng galit ni coach na natatanggap namin. Sobrang sarap sa feeling and sana magtuloy-tuloy pa sa next week.
Meron ka ba mga gustong batiin, mga supporters nyo?
And thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin and sa team ko. Hello po sa family ko, I miss you so much. And thank you sa mga naging teacher ko sa Adamson and sa Laguna po. Thank you po ng sobra, mahal na mahal ko kayo lahat. And mga naging teammates ko sa Adamson, I love you babies. Family po ng mga teammates ko, hi po. And sa family nila. Thank you po.
Ayan, congratulations again sa'yo, kay Coach Tai, at sa buong kupunan ninyo, Creamline Full Smashers, napakahusay na pinakita.
Here's your player of the game. Yep, none other than Gemma Galanza with 23 points, built of 21 attacks and 2 aces.
Congratulations to Galanza and the rest of the Cool Smashers. Excellent job today. 3 players in double digits.
Best player of the game with 16 points, 13 attacks, 1 block, and 2 aces. So, unang-una, big congratulations to you. And of course, to Creamline for keeping your record spotless as you enter the semis. So, we have to talk about it. First of all, Akari is the first team to challenge you to 4 sets. So, ano yung mga biggest in-game adjustments na ginawa niyo today?
Medyo nag-lock kami sa blockings and sa defense. So, talagang kinakapa namin talaga yung play nila and yung timing talaga namin sa mga palo nila. So,
Tapos Creamline is well known for the undeniable chemistry na mayroon kayo at that you built throughout the years. So how did this strong connection you have play to your advantage during tight games like this one?
basta sinasabi lang namin sa isa't isa na kakapitan namin to kahit gaano kalayo. Madami na kaming mga score na malayo na talaga nakahabol. So ngayon, ito talaga challenge kami. So nilaban lang namin. And yun nga, thank you din sa connection and communication na meron ang team.
Now, Gemma, is there anyone you want to greet? Go ahead.
Hello po sa lahat ng mga taga Laguna, kay Ma'am Bog, kay Ma'am Judith, sa family ko, kay Natita Tops, Tita Joy, at sa lahat po ng Creamline fans, hello! Thank you so much!